Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to use a Union Bank virtual card. To use your Union Bank virtual card, you can follow these steps. First of all, download the Union Bank online app and log in. Then, click on the Cards tab and select Virtual Cards. After that, choose the virtual card you want to use and click on View Details. Now click on Copy Card Details to copy the card details to your clipboard. Then use the copied card details to make online transactions. After the transaction is complete, you can usually view the details in your transaction history within the online banking portal or mobile application. Since virtual cards are often created for one-time or limited-use transactions, they enhance security. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.